Now it's your turn to make some butterflies just like Austin did in that video we watched. I have sent you guys the same butterflies and moths that we saw in the video where we practiced counting their spots. You are going to pick one of these butterflies and draw it yourself, and then someone in your family is going to help you by giving you what we call stars and stares. You might remember how Austin's friend helped him make his butterfly better by giving him suggestions that were helpful and specific. Can you guys say the word specific? Specific means that it relates to one small detail. If I say, you're a really cool person, that's not very specific. But if I say, I like how you were nice to your friends in distance learning class, that is a specific thing. So you're going to give and get feedback that is specific. Now, what I'm looking for is for you and your family members to do something that I call stars and stares. Stars are something that is nice and helpful, and stares are something that you can improve. So when you're talking to your family member about your butterfly art, you're going to ask them what you did well on and how you can improve. What are your stars and your stares? They're going to tell you 2 things you did well and 1 thing that you can improve on. And I'll even include a paper that they can write down. I recommend writing down a list that looks like this on your paper. 1 thing, 2 things, and then 1 thing. If you make this on a piece of paper, then you and your family can work together to make your art look as great as possible. You'll draw your butterfly, and your family member will tell you 2 things that you did well and 1 thing where you can improve. Then you get to try again. Go ahead and set your paper aside and get a new one out and try the butterfly again. If you did well on something, try doing that again and try and make sure you improve the part that you need to improve so your butterfly can look more and more like the picture you chose, whichever picture you chose. We're going to work on this for quite a few weeks. So for the first week or 2, I want you to just focus on the shape, just like Austin did. Don't worry about the spots, stripes, colors, or any other details. Only work on the shape. If you spend about 15 minutes on this each week for about 2 weeks, we should have some great butterflies ready by the time we're ready to add colors and spots.